So this is the Qubo 4K dual channel camera, dash cam. So the way it's like, you can see that it's fitted here with this sucker on the car front window. You can see a display just for preview purposes. It's a live display of what it's seeing in the front. You have one cable here which basically runs to the back rear camera, which we'll shortly see. And this is the main power cable, which neatly goes through this cladding, uh, goes all the way behind this thing so that it's not really visible. And we can see it's kind of going into the car power 12-volt socket. So there is really no wire hanging around. And the rear camera cable goes this way, and it goes through this beading without anybody seeing it, and we can see a small camera at the back. So that's where it comes out. So really no cables anywhere, and that's all that is involved in uh, fitting this camera. um, there are some buttons here, and if you press this button, you can see the rear camera. You can't see much because the garage door is closed, but that's so you can preview the rear one and the front one based on what you want to see. I've set it back to front. The rest of the stuff you can see it on your app on the phone. You can download a 1 minute clip on the phone, which would be high res. But if you really wanted to really see number plates fully, then you need to remove this chip. And this chip, let me see if you can see it. It's actually, let me show you with my finger. It's on this side. It's a micro SD card, and then you just remove it, shove it into your laptop, and you can get you can upload, copy all the files that you need, and those are very high res, and you can see all number plates during day or night. There's no problem with that. So this is in brief the Qubo 4K dual dash cam. This is the view of the dash cam from the outside. This is the view of the dash cam from the back.